Welcome back on this Monday morning. Winter weather advisories remain in effect for our western and our north central counties. The ones in the western counties go until 3 o'clock into the afternoon, and then parts of Alger as well as Marquette counties, those expire at 7 o'clock in this evening, as lake effect snow will increase throughout the morning and then continue through the afternoon, extending into the evening. Here's a look at the satellite and radar loop imagery of that lake effect snow that's increasing across the north central areas of the UP. Here's what's happening. There's a cold front exiting the UP across the east end of the UP, and then a trough digging in just behind that, bringing in some colder air and going to allow winds to increase out of the north and northwest. So plan on a windy day with some slippery road conditions. Slippery road conditions are out there right now as many roads are still covered in snow. Now we're seeing that lake effect snow increase over into eastern Marquette County and western Alger County, right here through the county line, coming up off of Lake Superior along M28 into Alger County, also through 94 near Chatham, seeing a little bit more moderate lake effect snow happening there right now through along US 41. This is Imperial Heights Road at the intersection of US 41 and Barriga County. You can see it's covered in snow, and that snow is coming down this morning as well. So you're going to need to factor in some extra time to get to your destination, as a lot of those roads are slippery. This is downtown Marquette with some light snow out there. Your winter impact for today will be mainly to travel, as those roads will be slippery, and then throughout the day we could have some poor visibility at times as snow will be blowing from some stronger winds. Those stronger winds could also cause just a few power outages, a few down tree limbs or branches, and then some lakeshore flooding could be possible. I set those all at low to moderate risk. Some beach erosion with some larger waves as well. Let's talk about those winds that will bring those impacts to us. Out of the north and northwest today, gusting around 35 to 45 miles per hour. This is noon, continuing into the afternoon, and then weakening in strength later on this evening and tonight. For snowfall, easily 1 to 3 inches of snow across the west end of the UP and the far east end, but where that lake effect really concentrates off of Lake Superior, becomes a little bit more moderate in the higher elevations of western Marquette County into Barriga County, and then portions of eastern Alger as well as eastern Marquette. We could see those ranges of around 3 to 6 inches of snow. Here's your hour by hour. We'll time it out here for you, increasing with the lake effect by about midday, especially near Lake Superior in the north central. Then later on this afternoon, this is 4:30 in the afternoon, it tapers off gradually on the west end, but continues within Marquette and Alger counties. And then later on tonight, it finally comes to an end. Winds will shift by tomorrow morning out of the southwest, and we're done with the lake effect snow for several days. Temperatures today within seasonal ranges, most areas into the 20s, a few lower 30s for highs across the far east end of the UP. The pattern will shift here over the coming days. This is the jet stream and the departure from temperature from normal. On the west end of the country, we have this unseasonably warm air mass right now with a big ridge, and that ridge will gradually track east and flatten out with a flow in the jet stream becoming more west to east. However, it still brings in this unseasonably warm air mass for the remainder of this week, extending into this upcoming weekend all the way through the holiday. So we're going to see those temperatures climbing above normal back into the 30s as we officially welcome winter.